Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Sick Moron. I've not done a video on Lego for a long time, and I know I put in my channel description that I upload Lego speed build videos and all that. I kind of felt bad for it because I've not done for a long time. Ever since the fake Lego brands video, I've not done a Lego video ever since then, I think. And I've not done a speed build video since my first video. My first video ever on the Sick Moron channel, the Lego Iron Man speed build. Those of you who know. And I've not done any Lego speed build video since then. So I kind of feel bad for it. And I'm going to be building the Lego Friends Central Perk today. It's like one of my most favorite sets that I really enjoy building. So I'm going to build that. And then hopefully soon I'll be making more Lego speed build videos. I also planned on doing the Lego NASA video, but that didn't work out because when I transferred it all to my new phone, some of my videos were lost. So I really have to start from the bottom again. So without any further ado, let's get into the video.
One eternity later.